LMT stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Lockheed Martin stock. It is sitting at $439.83, and it's actually just cooked, man. It just cooked. I've done well over 37,000 videos. I spent 5 figures on course seminars. There's like nobody else that has done as much videos as I've done these types of videos on YouTube, and this much proof. All I also want to say is that LMT, beforehand, I was just cooking, you know, like it was bullish. Even have the link as proof to demonstrate. And guess what? I'm gonna pull out the video. Right, it was made when it was 440, and I wanted it to come even lower a year ago, 24th of January 2024, and that did happen. Now we're generally even like about the same price, but what it's not the same is me being bullish. I'm just not gonna randomly buy. More so, these lows are about to get cleared from what I'm looking at, so it's only gonna be something bullish if I for real see a shift above like 481 or whatever. It's not clear right now. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.